Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Facebook's active status feature shows when you are currently online and available to chat. If you prefer to have more privacy or don't want others to know when you're active on Facebook, you can hide your active status. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process step by step. First, launch Facebook app by tapping it. On the Facebook homepage, look on the bottom right corner of your screen and tap Menu. After that, located at the top right corner of your screen, tap the gear icon. In the Settings homepage, scroll down and find Active Status. Once found, tap it. Now, toggle the switch off by tapping it. A pop-up will appear and you need to hit Turn Off. Congratulations! You have successfully hidden your active status on Facebook. By following these steps, you can maintain your privacy and prevent others from seeing when you're active on the platform. If you ever want to show your active status again, you can revisit the settings and enable the feature. Enjoy using Facebook with more control over your online presence. Thank you for watching!